Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing good and staying safe. Thanks to the subscriber who subscribed our channel, and thanks to the viewer who are still viewing our videos but yet to subscribe. Please subscribe the channel to enjoy with us. Today's dinner almost done. Preparation is done. Yet to have. I have done a very simple dinner preparation. It's like roti and lettuce finger fry. Don't know Mahi will have some omelette or not. We'll see once we will have our dinner. We'll check with her what she want to have, and then I have to sit with her to do some craft activity with her today. So if you want to enjoy with us, then definitely you have to sit with us and enjoy the fun. And then lot of tasks is there for today. As today is Thursday, I have to arrange some clothes which are already kept. I'm trying my best to give her time whenever it's possible, maybe after office also or after dinner, whenever it is possible. So that means she will also be waiting for that, right? She will also wait like, okay, my mama is busy now, she will give some time, maybe post dinner or lunch, whenever it is possible. Okay guys, chalo, let's do our chalo. I told chalo means she was thinking like bye bye. Chalo means we have to do our dinner, then I have to sit for craft activity. Every day you are missing your classes, Mahi. Ma'am will scold you, Mahi. Huh? You want to do your classes, right? You are a good girl? Mahi is a good girl? Yeah, Mahi is a good girl, right? Okay. Mama, show your nose. Which one is your nose? Show them your nose. Ma'am is there, okay? Ma'am is watching you. Show your nose. Ma'am is there. Yashu ma'am is there. Come here. Hi ma'am, ye Yashu ma'am. Ye Yashu ma'am. Dekhe ja, ye ma'am. Mahi. Ye ma'am, Yashu ma'am. Sapna ma'am ache ekhane. Hi bole do, nose bole do, to nose konta tomar dekh. Acha tang ta dekhe to tang ta. Ah God. And teeth. Where is your teeth? Very good. Nose. Nose. Which one is your nose? Okay. Eyes. Okay. Then here. Ear na here. Yes. Ear. Kana. Hand. Very good. Which one? Fingers. Okay. And thumb finger. Oh my God. Very good girl. Index finger. Oh my God. And then middle finger. Ring finger. Oh my God. And the little one. Which one is a little finger? Oh God. Okay guys. So let's come. We'll do some craft activity together. Come Mahi. Noko. It's কি color? It's orange. It's orange. It's a red. It's a red. চার্ট পেপার দিয়ে বানাচ্ছি বিকজ আমার কাছে অন্য পেপার নেই সবাই জানে এটা বানাতে I think I know everyone knows this to make a boat. Very nice activity to do with the kids. So it's done. I prepared with the chart paper because I don't have the other paper. Mahi, চলো এখন আমরা কি করব? এখন আমরা পেইন্টিং করব। এটার উপর আমরা কি বানাবো? আমরা এটাতে জল আঁকবো, জল, নৌকোটা জলের উপরে যাবে, জল। আমরা এখন কি জল কি দিয়ে বানাবো? আমরা পেইন্টিং করবো। তো পেইন্টটা কোথায়? এই যে তুমি আসো পেইন্টিং করবে এখানে। এখানে করো, রুম করো, করো করো করো। ইয়েস, ওয়াও, এটা কি কালার? এটা ব্লু, ব্লু, হ্যাঁ। वाओ माही ब्लू। ওটা খুলবে না মা, দেখো ব্লু কালার হয়েছে এটা। ওটা বোট, ওটা অরেঞ্জ কালার না। Sometimes I sit with her, like whenever I get time. So most of the time, like whenever I will get time after lunch on, dinner, so we'll sit with together. Or sometimes if dinner is done, preparation is done little early. What there is to be early. I'll be running behind after office, because in my mind I have to be like, okay, I have to finish my dinner at around. I'm not a good painter, okay, see. Learning with her only. Okay, so this is done, Mahi. Now akashe ki thake, akashe eta pink. এখন আমরা বার্ড বানাবো, বার্ড। এখানে আমরা বার্ড বানাবো, ঠিক আছে? এটা কি বলো তো? এটা দাঁড়াও, এটা বার্ড, এটা বার্ড। এখানে সান বানাবো, এই তো। এটা কি? সার্কেল, ওকে। আর এটা দেখো সান, এটাকে সান বলে, রাইট? সান কখন বের হয়? ডে টাইম, রাইট? সানটা। তা আমরা এখন কি করব? বার্ড। এটা কি? বার্ড। এটা কি? সান। আর এটা কি? সি। সি কালার কি? এটা ব্লু। তুমি কি করবে? তুমি এদিকে যাও, এদিকে আসো, এদিকে কাম হিয়ার। এটাকে আমি বন্ধ করে দিই। ওটা ধরবে না, ওটা গ্লু লাগবে। গ্লু, এদিকে আসো। গ্লু না, ব্লু তো এটা কালারটা, এটা কালার ব্লু। আমরা এখন কি করব? জাহাজটা এখানে বসাবো। এখানে বসাবো না, এরকম। ওই সিজারটা ধরে না মা, ওটা বেবি সিজার, এটা মার সিজার। ওটা সিজার। আমরা এখন এটা কি লাগাচ্ছি মাহি? গ্লু লাগাচ্ছি, রাইট? কোথায় লাগাবো এটা? ওটা ধরে না মাম, ওটা ধরে না মাম, ওটা হাত কাটবে। এই যে মাহি, ওয়াও মাহি, see, it's nice, right? I think it's দিচ্ছ কেন? কানা তোমার হাতে ব্যথা? হ্যাঁ, তুমি দুষ্টুমি করবে না, তুমি ডিনার করতে হবে তোমার। চলো মাই করে না এরকম দুষ্টামি। মাম, নো মাই, নো। আসি। This kitty and one mobile is there, that is also like not in working condition, and it will never work also if we repair. মা বাবাকে হামি দিয়ে দাও তো। এটাকে পিঙ্গু, পিঙ্গু দাদা। A penguin, Ma. You have to say complete name, baby. Penguin.
Pingu nose contact.
Nose.
Pingu eyes.
Eyes.
Pingu ears.
Ears.
Yes, pingu ears.
These are not ears, Mahi. These are wings.
Pingu tails.
Tail. Tails not. Tail.
Pingu leg.
Leg. Where is Pingu leg? Leg. This is the big tasks to do. Arranging the after wash I have to dry, so Mahi used to help me a lot. Mahi will help me to give the clips. Mahi clip. Thank you. Oh. So she is helping me. She's helping me to arrange the clips for me. So in this way we just spend some time. So Mahi, give me the clip. Clip, I want clip, Mahi. If she is there, my work will be very fast. I can do my work very fast. Yes, have you any? Oh, yes sir, yes sir. 3 bags full. One for my master. One for the day. The other for the little boy that lives down the lane. Very good girl. আর বাসন পায়রাগুলো Thank you. One more clip. Thank you. So it's done. So one task is done from today's work. This work is done. I try to finish it off. Tomorrow is Friday, so that I can arrange this in tomorrow night. So Saturday and Sunday I will have less work. I can give some time to my family. Okay. Hi everyone. So hope you have enjoyed the video. Trying to give different content every day. Whatever possible, I am trying to capture that and sharing with you guys. Hope you are enjoying all the videos. So if you like the video, then you have to hit the like button, and if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe the channel and enjoy with us. Thank you for giving your valuable time, and keep watching. Stay connected.